Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the Catrice Luminous Bronzing Powder, and this one is from the limited edition, which is the Sun Glow edition. And I just wanted to let you guys know that it's only available from July to September. We are now already the end of August, so if you want to get one for yourself, then definitely go ahead and grab one from your drugstore. It will cost around €4.99, so it's pretty affordable for a bronzer, and they still have 3 different finishes. They have the luminous finish, they have the glazing finish, and a matte contouring powder. Now I'm going to talk about the finish later on a little bit more, but I'm going to share some information about the luminous bronzing powder. Then I'm also going to show you a little demonstration on how it applies. Later on also some before and afters, and then I'm also going to share my thoughts and experience that I had with the luminous powder. So let's see what we can get. Now here you can see a close-up of the Catrice Luminous Bronzing Powder, and as you can see it has a gorgeous packaging. And if you're the type of girl that loves collecting like limited edition products, then this is definitely something for you, as it has also a gorgeous display because of the packaging itself already. Now if you're going to open it, it has a magnetic area right here on the bottom so that it keeps it closed. But if you're going to open it, you will see that it has a luminous finish as well, and the shade itself is gorgeous. This shade, I personally believe that it will look gorgeous as a bronzing application, like powder application, or you can also use it as a highlighter, depending also on your skin tone. It will look gorgeous on you. And this is what the shade looks like. It just gives you a beautiful reflection without looking too much. Now of course they have also the matte contouring powder, and they also have the glazing powder, which have also different finishes. Now let's have a look at the demonstration. Now if you don't have a bronzing powder brush, then you can also purchase one that comes with the Sun Glow collection, as they do provide one. It was just a shame that when I went to the drugstore that everything was sold out except the liquid bronzer and this one right here. Otherwise I would have grabbed more of them. But, well, this can be positive because it was sold out, but I couldn't get one for myself because online it looks really good, and it's also from Catrice, which means that it's also still very affordable. Now, this is also why I'm going to use in today's video the Real Technique blush brush, as this one is also a very affordable brush, and it is beautiful if you want to do a bronzing application. Now I'm going to dip into the product as well. I'm going to start off slowly. So if you're going to work with like bronzers or any kind of makeup products, I also would recommend you starting off with a little bit, and you always can add more as you prefer it, so that you still can correct it when you are going to apply it and also blend it. Now take your mirror, and then we are going to start off with the cheekbone areas. So what you can do is use circular motions, and you will see that it will give you the luminosity slowly. So the more you're going to build it up, the more color it will give you towards your cheek area, and the more it will also bring the luminosity to your face. So it depends also on how much luminosity and color you want to have on your face area as well, and also depending on your skin tone. And this is also why I like mentioned, if you have a darker skin tone, then this can also look beautifully as just as a highlighter. Like, it doesn't have to be just like using it for a bronzing effect, but it also will work beautifully if you want to use it as a highlighter. And this is what I love about this product, that you can use it for so many different purposes. You basically also could use this one as an eyeshadow application, as it will give you a beautiful luminous finish. And I'm going to work it in, like doing circular motions with the brush, so that it will also add the color to my cheek area as well. Now I'm also going to show you now the before and after, what it will look like. Here you can see a beautiful before and after in front of the ring light, and as you can see, it brings back the warmth to your face with the luminous finish. And I've also taken a picture in a natural light for you guys as well, because this is what it will look like in real life. Now I hope that you enjoyed the before and after also in different lights, because this might also help you to decide whether you should buy it or not. And this is basically what I wanted to demonstrate you with the finish as well. I personally do love the luminous bronzing powder. I can't talk about the other finishes. I wish I could, but they were sold out, so it's a little bit of a shame, because when I'm seeing like how this one performs, it's just amazing. I love the finish of it. It's not too shiny, but it still will add color to it, which is the beautiful like balance in between. And you also can use it as a highlighter, as I've already mentioned. You can use it for your eyeshadow, or you could either, if you have a matte bronzing powder that you really love, you can use this at first and then go over with the Luminous bronzing powder on top, so that you can control a little bit more of the luminosity, so that if you feel like you're looking a little bit too matte, that you can bring back that like basically the real shine of your skin again. So it won't look as mattifying or dry on your skin with this one because of the finish. So this is what I do love. I also love the color a lot because it's not too orange, but it still will add you the beautiful bronze effect to your cheeks. And I also believe that any skin tone can use this one because it isn't orangey toned. And this is what's so important, which I also believe is very important when it comes to bronzer. Now, with that being said, I also hope that you enjoyed the review, that you loved the review. If you have already tried the Luminous bronzing powder for yourself, you can also drop down below your experience that you had with the bronzing powder, as I also would love to hear from you, and other viewers can also read your comments as well, so that we can talk a little bit about the experience of certain products. Now, with that being said, this is what I want to show you, share with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!